Hello, happy Monday everyone. I'm gonna be bringing you guys through a week of my life during college, just following what I do in my daily life. So we'll just jump right in. Obviously today is Monday and I woke up today at 11:02 for my 11 a.m. French class on Zoom. And then when that was done, I went and brushed my teeth and then headed to the kitchen to make my breakfast, which was just 2 pieces of avocado toast. And I poured this vegan just egg over some breakfast potatoes, onions, and peppers. And then I seasoned my avocado toast with a bunch of weird stuff. And then I ate it all up and it was so delish. I think that's kind of become my daily breakfast. I really like all of those elements of the meal. And now it's about 12:45 and I don't have class until like 7 p.m. tonight, so I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm gonna go to a regular grocery store and then also an Asian market, so I'll probably give you guys nice little grocery hauls to show you my college eating essentials. So let's go head out, shall we? Hello, Dale. That's my car's name. How you been, big boy? Hello! I've finished my shopping and I'm ready to do my little grocery haul. I sanitized my hands. So I went to H Mart and then I stopped by Walmart as well. And I just left Walmart and I had the weirdest encounter. This man was walking behind me on the phone and I can't even repeat what he said. It was literally the most graphic, disgusting thing I've ever heard, and he said it like this close to my face while he was on the phone. And I was like, how is this real life? How did I just hear that in public? I don't know. That was really interesting. Anyway, so I'm gonna begin with my little Walmart haul. I forgot to bring my reusable bags. I'm so sorry. I always go to Walmart to get my vegan substitute things because they're always cheaper there. So I got vegan meat corn dogs, vegan chicken patties for my sandwiches. I got some crackers for my hummus at home, aluminum foil, and flour tortillas. And that's all I got there. But now we move on to the fun stuff from H Mart. First, I got my veggie gyoza pot stickers. I like to eat these either just fried in a pan or I add them to my ramen noodles. And then I was really sad. I literally went to H Mart to get jjajangmyeon, which is a type of Korean noodles with black bean sauce, but they were all out of the vegan ones, and then they didn't have my veggie ramen either. So then I randomly got these potato noodles. I've never had them before. I don't know if they're that good, but I'm gonna try them out. And then I'm so excited for these. They're just artificial chicken flavor. The ingredients have no chicken or anything in them, so they are vegan. And I grew up eating these, and they are so freaking good, and I didn't know that they were at H Mart. I got 3 of the artificial chicken flavor, and then I picked up 1 artificial tonkatsu. None of them have any animal products in the ingredients list. Then I think this is the most exciting product. I found the boba, the instant boba packs. I know this isn't like the exact kind that I see on TikTok, but it's pretty much the same exact thing. So you just make your own boba at home, and I'll probably make it sometime this week in this video. So we'll try it out together. That is it for my grocery haul. Pretty short, but I didn't really need that much. So now I'm just gonna drive home and probably eat some food and chill before I have my next class at 7. So I'll see you then. Then I just tried to clean up the living room a little bit. Just tidy up and fold some things. Ooh, so pretty. And then I had some leftover noodles from Loving Hut while I watched the Great British Baking Show, which is one of my favorite shows ever. And then I had my night class, which is comedy writing for television.
Make sure that each of these scenes is moving your story forward. Is there another way of doing that that just pops a little more?
Yeah. So that was my professor giving me some feedback on an outline of an episode I wrote. He gives really good feedback, and this is probably my favorite class of the semester, even though it kind of intimidates me. And then I just had my dinner, and that was it for the night. Good morning, everyone! Today I woke up and went straight to my first class of the day, which is called Philosophy of Helping. It's literally the nicest class ever.
The idea of helping people with disabilities is a really wonderful thing.
Do you hear how nice my professor is? It is such a great class. Then I started getting ready for my day, and I washed my face, and I moisturized with my Curology. I got put on my sunscreen, so this is one that Ashley got me. It is a Korean sunscreen brand, SPF 50. Gotta protect your skin from the sun, even if you're indoors, apparently. But I am going out today. Soon I'm taking y'all on a drive, and we're gonna be doing something crazy. You can maybe guess what it is from the thumbnail of this video. It's gonna be wild. So now that my sunscreen is all nice and evenly applied, let's go see what I'm doing today. What's up, y'all? I'm headed out to get my COVID test through the CVS drive-thru. It's my second time getting tested. Not because I thought I had it either time. I just think it is responsible to get tested pretty often, especially being in SoCal where the numbers are pretty bad. So let's go get driving. I made it. I'm pulling up.
Hi there.
Hi.
Here's your kit. I'm going to walk you through the test, okay? So just watch through the window. You're going to take out your swab. You have a vial and a rubber band. Take your swab out. Be careful not to touch the tip of it. I'm going to time you for 15 seconds. Make sure you go 1 to 2 inches so you won't get test results. I've got the timer going.
Oh.
Okay, Don, go ahead and take that out.
Okay.
How'd that feel?
Not great, but yeah.
I just mean you're doing it right though. So
Yeah.
the other side when you're ready, and I'll start the timer.
Okay. Freak my life. Oh, it's not that bad, but Jesus.
Okay, stop.
Okay.
Go ahead and get your vial out. Be careful not to spill the liquid inside. Go ahead and put your swab down inside there. Swish it around in there. Put the cap back on your vial. The swab's just trash. We don't need that anymore. Drop your vial down in the bottom of the bag.
Okay.
And just drop your sample in there.
Okay.
You're all set. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Wowee. Okay, well, this was different than my last CVS COVID experience because this time I didn't give them the actual swab I put in my nose. I only gave them the vial that I dipped the swab in. Last time I gave them the full swab and everything. So this time I got to keep my swab. The whole thing didn't go in my nose. Only about this much went in. Probably went up to like here. That looks kind of gross, but it wasn't that bad. It is obviously a little bit uncomfortable, but it has to be like that to work. And my eyes be watering every time. I literally never leave my apartment because I have nothing to do in Orange County anyways, but I just want to get tested to make sure that me and my roommates are all good because like they have jobs, so they leave the house and stuff. So I'm just doing it for all of us, just to be safe. Okie dokie. Now that my nose is all nice and cleaned out, I'm just gonna head home and probably work the rest of the night on editing this video and other videos and doing some homework. Peace! A president still hasn't been picked. So Wednesday I started out with my French class again, and then I made 2 breakfast burritos. If there's anything I'm good at, it's always eating a big breakfast because I know how important that is. And these were super good. They were filled with more breakfast potatoes and vegan egg, and I ate them with some salsa, and it was superb. Then at night I had my directing class, which is usually a good one, but it was really hard to focus today because of the election and everyone in the class was super out of it. But I made it through. And then I made another chicken burger for dinner and ate it while watching the Great British Baking Show again. I also ate a leftover slice of pizza, and then for dessert I decided to go crazy. It's time to try the boba I got. It says it's black tea flavored. I'm just gonna follow the instructions. It says I have to put one of the packets in boiling water, so I'm heating that up right now. I got the packet, except I accidentally snipped the corner. Hopefully it does not leak into the water. He's in a jacuzzi. It's been 4 minutes, so I'm taking it out. Oopsie. I've got the packet and none of it spilled into the water because I kept the little hole above water. And there's a lot of syrup in here. So apparently you're supposed to just have it with milk and ice, and then the black tea flavor will flavor the milk. So I'm gonna set that up right now. Ice. This is like one of those stress reliever packets that you just play with. Just realized you're probably supposed to put the boba in the cup before the ice because you have to spin it around and coat the cup. So I'm taking the ice out. It smells good. It smells kind of fruity. That's all I want. Now this is what the boba people do. Okay, that looks kind of great. Now I get the ice again. Soy milk. That looks right. And the packet came with these straws. Nice. Boop. The official taste test. Those are actually so good. This is actually so good. What the heck?
Is it sweet?
Yeah. The whole boba is like so sweet. Here's your cup. Ooh.
It is pretty good.
The boba like holds a lot of flavor in there. How'd you rate it out of 10?
Out of 10, this
Yeah.
is solid 9.5.
Nice. I would have to agree with that. Yeah, yo. You.
It's actually really good.
Yeah.
Super sweet.
Super sweet.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Good morning. It is Thursday, which means I have my philosophy of helping class again. And after class, I uploaded a YouTube video. And then I had cereal for breakfast, my classic cocoa bunnies and soy milk. And you'll never guess what I watched while eating it. The Great British Baking Show again. And then I also made some avocado toast because I wasn't full enough. Then I spent literally the rest of the day editing this video and a couple other videos. And then I made dinner, which was spaghetti and vegan chicken. And it was actually so good. I'll write out the ingredients I used on the screen because I've never made spaghetti this good. It was fantastic. And then Ashley and I streamed Among Us with some of our friends and some of you guys, so here are some highlights from that stream.
Oh my god, it's me and Amber again!
Amber, what did we do?
6, 7, 8.
You out here flexing with your counting skills. People in Nevada are mad jealous right now.
The one opens, it'll
New Yorker.
I love that.
That's my kryptonite.
That's my kryptonite. Are you from Long Island?
Yes.
Yes. I can't just vent with Amber. I'm just gonna vent and just let her be like. She's gonna call a meeting. Don't do it on me. Amber vented!
What's up, y'all? Happy Friday, last day of the vlog. Sad to see it go. I'm sitting outdoors and storms are brewing out here. Anyways, today I had my intro to visual storytelling class, which is a very long class. It ends at 4:30 p.m. on Fridays, so it's kind of a hard class to get through. I got an email that my COVID results are in, so I'm gonna check that right now.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah!
Yup, that's me.
Cheers to good health. Also, after class, I got to stream Among Us with my little cousin and my siblings.
Hi.
Hello. Actually, Amber's hacking.
I already know for the rest of the day I'm just gonna be working on homework and editing a bunch of videos, so I think I'm gonna save you guys from having to sit through that, and I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I did have a blast filming this video. I think I'm gonna do more videos that are like a week in my life, a week of what I eat, because this was fun to film, and I think it gives you guys a good overview of what my life is actually like. Anyways, guys, peace and blessings to you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Mwah. I'll see you again soon. Peace.